Minister Conrad Kongkel Sangma Hakashipotri Ubnai Kala Linkot Arajar Arpulai Ulabu mawnongrim Negabenta Ban Shnai Ko umdih ki Shillong Kibadan ha New Shillong Township Mau Diang Mau Kasyang Mau Pedap Ding Yong Mau Long Set Yong Bat Tindring Hari ni kejingbo mawnongrim lai don langru MLA ke Maurang Keneng constituency ubah penyat sing se lai don langru kinong yalam Shillong UMDC kalai mkhra FJ Lakadong, but Commissioner and Secretary Jong Kutnat PHE Usaid Muhammad Andalib Razi.
Iaka tam hipor ibalingkot ibashisnem shibanai tam iaka baginyo ban ai ka jingshakri kumwa mali jompi ki jingker pat nagalang ki dorbarshnong ka jingpen slow na ki patba halor ki jing bat ki jingdan kam ki bapher na kalyang jungi nira hai chief minister but the government.
I remember in 2018 when we had taken over, and I had met the PHE minister and the officials, and they told me that PHE department has no money. Hardly any projects are going on, and most of the staff is without any work. And obviously, which means most of the state has no water to drink. And that's when the entire thought process of how to reactivate and how to ensure that different kind of projects come into the PHE department. The entire thought process started then. And that time we did not have the Jal Jeevan mission. But just to share with all of you, we looked at the entire schemes that were being given by Government of India and the state government. And we saw that in the infrastructure vertical, as you are aware that there are different verticals for governance, we have social sector verticals, we have infrastructure verticals, we have economic industrial verticals, and we have the socio-economic verticals. In the beginning, in 2018, the then chief engineer and the officials had come and said, "Sir, we have no work to do. We have no schemes. Please help us." And now the engineers and officials come and tell us that, "Sir, we have too much of work. We have too many schemes. We can't sleep. We are in the office till 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the night. Please help us." And I think that sums up the entire story of how there has been a transformation in the working of the PHE department. And this has seen a transformation in the lives of the people. And you've seen that where Meghalaya was at 0.75% 2 to 3 years back, which was the worst in the country, Meghalaya state made a jump of 43%, which is from 0.75%, which is 1% approximately, to about 43% coverage in a matter of 2 years. Higher than the jump, the delta which we call. The delta is higher than the national average. Trying to work towards all the central schemes. For example, we used to get NLCPR or the NDC schemes or the NESET schemes from donor ministry. Then we used to get the RIDF funds, and these funds were of course meant for different projects. So we tried to streamline all the sources from other programs like RIDF, NESET, NLCPR and others. And we tried to give more importance to PHE since PHE did not have any source of funding at that point in time. And that's when the story of making the PHE department active again started. And it took us some time, but slowly and steadily we started seeing projects coming. We started the department becoming active. And that's when Government of India announced the Jal Jeevan program.